Hello, good morning, teacher. Today I'm going to explain week number 4, adjective clause and phrase and review adverbs. Adjective clause 1. Here we have the definition. Adjective clause and adjective phrase both describe nouns. Clause contain a subject and a verb, while the phrase do not. Here we have rules. Adjective clause no plus relative pronoun plus verb. Adjective phrase shorter, no full subject or verb. Here we have the structure. Adjective clause noun plus relative pronoun plus verb. Adjective phrase shorter, novel, subject, or verb. Here we have the example, the man who is tall is my teacher. Another example, the man sitting near the window is my teacher. The explanation in this grammatical topic in a phrase verb often appear in ing or past participle form. How to use clause more detailed, phrase shorter. Extra information, both for improve fluency in descriptions. And here we have reflection. This week I studied adjective clause and phrase. I learned the difference between them. Clause have subject and verb. Phrase do not at first. I mixed them later. I improved. I like practice with both forms. They are used for descriptions. This topic made my English clearly. I feel more confident now. It was very helpful for my waiting. Now my partner will continue explain.
Okay, teacher, we continue the second topic, praise and review adverbs. Definition are review of all adverbs, manner, time, frequency, place, sentence, adverb, focus, adverbs, and negatives. Rules adverbs are frequency before the main verb, with to be the adverb comes after the verb. Adverbs of manner usually end in line. The structure subject plus verb adverb. The thing's beautiful. Subject plus be plus adverb. He is always late. Other examples, I usually wake up early. She speaks English fluently. They are never bored. Some exceptions in this grammatical topic, some adverbs do not change form fast, hard. How to use it? To give more information about actions and situations. Extra information review helps to connect all types of adverbs together. The reflection. This week I reviewed adverbs. It was good to remember all types. I practiced frequency adverbs. I also studied adverbs of manner, sentence adverbs. Were interesting. I reviewed negative adverbs too. At first, I forgot the order. With practice, I improved. This review helped me a lot. I feel these adverbs with more confidence. Thank you.